Welcome to Factorio Modded. This is SpaceX Krastorio 2. I am working on vitamelange processing rather than core mining. I'm pondering doing remote every planet processing. I suspect that's the way that the mod developer Randor wants it, so that's the way it will be. So I've got to start migrating off nauvis and onto other worlds, how I used to have it. So I got to reverse hundreds of hours of what I did, but I will keep the cores going, doing their thing. But I suspect this planet, the cores are kind of, I'm far away from the cores because the way I've played this, I actually went right to the edge of the map. And so there's big patches out here, but there's no cores. Like there's a core there, very far apart. But 3 cores, I mean 3 cores might be okay. I mean, I've only got 3 on my other vitamelange planet, and it's a real small footprint though. Just those 3. These are the biters, it's sort of hard to get more. So I do need more vitamelange. That's my shortage right now, so I must work on it. So Tulip, vitamelange. Now we set this mine a long time ago, like in another lifetime, and it's real. I mean, it's quite basic. It's just big miners, prod 3, speed 2, and we even got lasers here, which is kind of funny. I set my energy beamer up to attack this planet, so let's go around wiping biters out right now. I don't know where it's at, but I don't see it. It's like drawing a line somewhere. Maybe it stopped. Pretty strange. I'll go check that out first actually. It is turned off. Autoclave. Switching off. I reckon there's no butters on Tulip. That's absolute bullshit. Because I know for a fact there is. Because I do that. It says Tulip is not fully explored. Maybe more hostile butters. There's a dumb thing about that actually. It shouldn't matter if there's explored or not. That's the way they've designed it, so it is what it is. So all these belts are like, this is from my blueprint. I copied them over, and they're all like way too fast. So that is all got to go, I believe. Not sure what I need for this, to be honest, but why is there one pipe there? It's needed it for something. This is where it starts, because we're just doing vitamelange straight into wood and stone. Now I can downgrade these, so I just do right mouse button on this. Re-mouse button those. I think blue belts ain't so bad. I mean red belts. You know it's going to be slower, it should be okay. This planet should be able to build them though, that's what matters. So I don't have the advanced furnace here. I think I'll need it. It's very expensive though. All those items I do technically have, but I don't think I can make them here. I'm not sure I can bring that over. Plus the prod mods, can't bring them over either. So I need to downgrade them. I need a downgrader. Prod. What is it? Prod 6 down to prod. I think prod 2 even. That's all I can do. And the speed module's probably the same deal, right? So it says we got prod 3 here, but I know that for a fact that they changed the recipe. Again, prod 3 is quite difficult. You might better make these too easy. I'd have to ship over vulcanite block here to better craft them on site. Which I could do. I could do a delivery cannon to each planet. But I haven't technically done that currently. So getting it hooked up at this point would be quite difficult. I mean, this planet's got a lot of stuff, so it's not problematic. I could just set up in the mall. We've got a shopping list. What's this here? We're actually requesting 2000 iridium ingots. What the shit? That's where we used to have lots of iridium, I guess. Let's turn that off for now, because yeah, that's not helpful. So I used to ship iridium around from my planet that mined it manually, and shipped ingots around for delivery capsules. Because these have a better recipe, which uses iridium plates. I seem to have no stone tablets. I've not even updated this planet yet. It's still got the old factory. Yeah, this is all old. We have to delete some things. It's all electric furnace now. New way of doing things. And it's a stone brick. These are silicon. And move them. Where's that one? On the side for some reason. That was awkward. Did I used to share the chest? How does this one get output? It's very bizarre. Anyway. Let's do a little loopy loop. And these should upgrade them. We've got some prods available, just not many. Buff it up. We got 300. That's tolerable. Okay. Now those glass still work, because that's the non-complicated recipe. That's good. This place used to mine stone as well, and I used to ship it back to nauvis. A delivery cannon set up for it. This one here. And now it's all but for stone. But that's long gone. Been retired. We've got this vitamelange in our base as well. So if I get a good blueprint for vitamelange processing off-world, I think that'd be useful. Now the good thing is we're getting capsules again, so in theory, once we get the vitamelange processing, we can start sending spice back. I don't know if spice is the optimal. It says 50 spice, so I think potentially from my understanding of this change, it's the stack size that matters. So let's spare one of these. We'll check the stack size out. So 50, 50, 50, 20, 20. So that the spice is the best one, obviously. So basically I've got to process a spice. I don't have to process any further, which means that the blueprint I was working on down here does not need this step. It just needs that step. These are gone. As much as I like these, I don't need them. Means we can cut this right back. You don't need all of that. A lot of trees here. I think that speed module doesn't even need it at all. What about the water? Do we get oil? Now I do want this advanced furnace, but I could live without it. I could just do industrial furnace, and maybe I will for the sake of having a recipe. So we do industrial furnace. How many of them do I need? I don't even know. I might need more than one. So currently it's kind of... It's designed for a bigger situation. Now that's the vulcanite that I send here from off-world. That should be downgraded as well. I've got plenty of stone, so I can definitely get that going. These inputs are going to be much slower than before. We've got no wider beacon here though. We've only got basic beacons. I think all the beacons are kind of off limits. They're kind of expensive. I have to ship them over. I mean, even the compact beacon doesn't work. And for some reason there's no compact beacon 2 in here. Really? I haven't researched it, that's why. Weird, I thought I'd researched that. I should add that into research tree. I'm trying my mining productivity back first, so that's my goal, because my buffs on my core mining, and that's the problem my play is the core mining is just stuffed. So if these are going on just normal beacons, I think I have to assume I got normal beacons. To downgrade this blueprint quite a lot. We can just put one of these between each two. And that can have a beacon, and that can have a beacon. That can go, and that's probably it. We'll trot most of it out. I have a tree remover. What's this? Oh, that's everything but trees, really. Why do I do that? Do that one, right? Yeah. It makes sense to do a backlist of the tree remover, so just remove trees. Alright, trees are gone. Oh, we haven't done the beacon in here. Oh, this should be speed trees, I believe. Now, did it save? I don't think it did. That one did. Yeah, it did. Okay. Why didn't it do it? What about the pylons? Do we have pylons here? There's a problem with these off-worlders. They don't have the fancy technology. I mean, I can't get lithium sulfur batteries out here, right? It's just going to be in holmium solenoids. I have to kind of rely on a very basic mold to build basic buildings. So I can't get these pylon substations. As much as I like to have them, I have to. There was that old one. Now that one, the museum beam, that might be more feasible. 24.5. This versus 20 though. It's not big a difference. This is. Who cares? We can just do a smaller one. Not sure. We need all this. We got no storage tanks. We got no flare stacks. Now that's easy to make. What about flare stacks? That should be easy too. Yeah. We get those two built. We don't have those. I should downgrade them. Leave that there because we got it, but really need to get the spicing. I don't know the flow rate of these. I should calculate, but I don't know if that why is that not working? That's the basic beacon, that's 3s. Do I not have speed 3s? I do. So why is it not upgrading? Oh, now it's working. Need me to look at it a bit harder. Okay. Now, I'm probably gonna upgrade these to Prod 3s actually in this planet, but I'll just do Prod 2s. I'll just assume that's like a dumb planet. Semi-dumb, because we do have these advanced chem plants, but I don't even know if we can make them here anymore. They require... Oh, it's just some museum beams. Yeah, that's fine. There's the bearings, that's why that one's hard. And the energy control units is why that one's hard. Energy control units, very, very hard to get off-world. Cause you know that. It's, how do you... I mean, I don't know if you can deliver that. Can you deliver the cannon that? I don't know. Don't think so. Maybe it's in the batteries. I don't know. If you can't see the batteries, then you can't do it. I don't see no batteries. So it's not possible. Yeah, if there's no batteries, you can't do it. So it has to be like in the spaceship. Because rockets are too much. Too many items die. Okay, so these shouldn't be too bad. I don't know how many of them each we need in the math. It says you need 4 per second. And this belt does 30, so that's just one belt, the whole thing. I got four belts there. Might as well just use the one. Oh, it should be there. Yeah. Hey, what'd that one miss? What'd that miss there? Weird. Anyway, so let's get the initial processing going. When this just needs a sand going. This just needs... What is it, a sand? Needs a belt of it. Yep. What's that one? What's the sand rate? 16 a second. That's got the thing, it hasn't got the other one. Okay, so this needs water now. I just landfill all this water here. There's always puddles and I got rid of them. Now I need a puddle. Because I need to pump water. These little puddles are quite useful. How can I build there? I don't have steel here. I don't steel pipes. Why do I not? Should do. They're kind of cheapish. Kind of expensive in the scheme of things actually. Why normal pipes? Yeah, I got heaps of pipes. Okay. Let's use shitty pipes. Pumped it out the back. Could pump it down here. Oh, that's perfect. Here's some water. Do I think I need 3 inputs? What's this one here? It's supposed to be like that, wasn't it? What's the water consumption? 320. Yeah, it's plenty. No, normal pipes. Okay, so that's an okay look. We just need to make sure we get rid of the stone and wood. Now the wood's kind of annoying. I haven't figured out how to get rid of the wood yet. I think the best use for wood is to turn it into circuits. I don't know whether I should do that. That's what is the best. Let's do that there, right? That's kind of, need copper for that, so. I don't think there's anything else that uses wood that's useful. I can just burn it. I mean, that fuel source, that the solid fuel maker. Solid fuel. I think it's this process fuel actually. Oh, is that the only 2 recipes? Are you serious? I just have anything in there. Okay. Yeah. Okay. And solid fuel's kind of own little thing, isn't it? Gas based. So many trees that you can make. It'd be nice to make biocide out of this, but we're not going to do that. Biomethanol is the main thing you're supposed to do. That's power. I don't really want biomethanol here though. Make coke. Which you can make. Yeah, what's the point of it? Like, what do I do with this wood? It's just sort of fuel, really, isn't it? So, this fuel processor. So, wood and stone. That's all the outputs. Oh, we don't need that thing either. Oh, that one. Could be quite close actually. It doesn't have to go that far. Could have it go out a couple tiles. Merge in like that. What a nice type. I'm gonna make one of these, a row of these things though. I don't know where I'll put them, but shouldn't be too bad. I'm just going to copy this a few times. I've got a whole bunch of junk on this belt as well. They're not too bad. I mean, normally you'd have you wouldn't have this thing in the big building. You'd have it in the just normal chemical plant, making sad ratios. This thing can be fed by the stone, so up at left stone. And just going to insert into these. And the rest can go into General population. Why isn't that going in? So I need to make 3 buildings. We got fuel processor, iron steel pipes as well. So yeah, I guess I'm doing SDK too. I might as well do it. I was trying to get my mini mill down and different types of buildings. So that's the flowers. Now I just need the industrial furnace. And we get the spice. I haven't figured out where to put them yet. Let's do that for now. This one doesn't work out so well because of the location of all the central stuff. Now, I actually don't have any methane this time. The methane's from the next step. So all this is actually fine. We don't need any of that. That's actually nauvis. Same for the, well, no, we do need the Vulcan. Oh no, we do have, okay, we do have it. I'm an idiot. I forgot the step. It does make methane, and it does make you can extract as well, which is a problem. Because I don't really want, you can't can the extract. So we're going to make large storage. Pipes. Layers. On that tank, this thing. Always makes a bit much. Not that one there's a bit ridiculous. Good to see all the stuff's here though, so we can move this now into my mall. I need to redo my mills as well. We'll just put down here for now. But basically, I need a new mall design for every planet, and I can redump down. Because basically they're meant to be all the same, make the same items. It will be very generic. Got a lot of oil sitting around here. I'm not really using it. So we were going to abandon this planet too, but I changed my mind. Too much of that. Too many flowers. No. Oh, it hasn't reached. What's the rate of that? Basically, a red insert is fine. How's that want to get inputs? Can't. What? Delete it. Red inserters. Good. And then the old power. Cool. Here's the upgrade. I'm going to start getting methane. Which, if I look at it, it doesn't look too good at this power point here. Notice it flows between. What's that? That's the methane there. So this is actually Perfect there. That one there is not so good, but we can do that and it's hooked in. Oh, there's flowers. Still getting 40% productivity, so it's not the end of the world. Why is it not trying to upgrade? Does this thing not work correctly? Does it downgrade them? I have to do it twice. I do. Okay. Alright, let's have a look at this end to end. So, we're slightly positive on sand. We're very positive on flowers. Stone's very negative. We will be importing it. Now, suppose methane's negative. What's using the methane? Oh, it's outputting it. Okay. Anyway, we're going to get spice here, so I can do delivery cannons, which was the goal. So it makes 3 spice seconds. So that's probably fine on the even blue inserters is fine. Put these two in. Yeah, maybe. One goes there. This one's a bit funky with that being back. We don't really want flowers spare, but we could use it for fuel. I don't think that's necessary. Now, how do I get this gas out? That's a bit of a problem. I think it's going to be on the outside here. There we go. And then we can red arm it. Nice. So it's oh, it's very clogged up because we've got no inserters over there. I suspect all my inserters are broken because they're based on the point the January update actually. The January update kind of mucked up things, so even they're all out of whack. It's a stone. Let's go check out what's shortaging. So there's no power on them, that's all. That's good. Some stacks and stuff. What else is broken in this base? Might need some help. That's supposed to be making heat shielding very slowly. Oh wow, we got science. So productivity is back to 100%. Not 180%, which is where it's at, but it's still okay. Curious I've changed the various extra recipes. That's not a good sound. Going too fast, mate? He does go 170, so it's pretty fast. It's only one shield too. We should have more than one on the ship. We can stop the ship. Alright, let's add some tiles. I'm trying to get tiles, but this thing's sad. Yeah, it's a bit better. So bit of mid-flight adjustment. A straight line there actually. Alright, that should be fine. Not too big a change, but enough of change, and when it docks it should build some more shields. Alright, how's my processing? So we got this this processed fuel. What am I supposed to do with that? I mean, I can put a vitamin extract in there too. How much is the stone actually? There's too much stone. So I need those buffered throttlers. I don't seem to have them on this setup. Well, it's crafting really slow. What's with that? Oh, it's not got any in range. Where's that one's got all of them? Okay. Look at this recipe. So, what are we positive on? We're still positive on flowers. I'm slightly positive on sand. We can always get 0 extract, which we can probably turn into the fuel. I suspect I'm supposed to turn it on to the other process on nauvis. And the idea is this was stopped. Oh, that's awkward. There's plenty there, but it's nothing here, so I could belt it, I guess. Whereabouts down here, right? Should I go straight through? I don't think I can expand that, so I could just go straight. I might go around the bottom though. Oh, we finally built those belts. Finally got the missing belts. Still can't quite saturate this though, but hopefully we can prioritize into here. Same for the other one. I'm not there, one tile above. Alright, let me copy this a few times. Always worth a train. But that's fine, that's done. Maybe some input prioritize. That means we'll get the other items instead. I'm not sure about this thing here. I really need to prioritize a spicer, but if I start seeing spice from off-world, that will solve my spice problem. So the non-spice is from core mining. Normal spice is the other way. Seem to be okay on that. This is not so good. Never seem to have any. The idea is that this should keep going. I mean, you don't you just keep it all. It's not turning into vitamelange. Anyway, go to Tulip and carry on this little print. So why isn't it inputting? What was that? That's weird. And that's too many inserters as well. What am I supposed to do with all these process fuel though? Right, do I ship them back home? I mean, is there a delivery cannon that does them? Maybe it's the bit I'm missing. No, it's just a delivery cannon that or you can't really make rocket fuel out of it. Like usage. But you can deliver it. It's sad to deliver though. Seems like it should be doing this thing. We upgrade it to oil and coal. But we would have to make Vita reagent though to do that. Which is a bit more effort. And you gotta get all that shit, which is hard. Lithium chloride? Oh man, we can't do that. That's way too complicated. So we can't do that recipe. We can do this one. I think it's solid fuel. We're gonna get light oil, so we will better make solid fuel out of that. So the methane process fuel should be okay. Oh, not usage crafting. Yeah, 5 process fuel. Like it was process fuel. What do I want to do with that? You know, sort of. I guess just burn it. What would I power with it? Do I power trains? I mean, I don't really need it. Seems to be what you're supposed to use though. I mean, I can just disappear it. There's a way of disappearing everything. So I use a crusher. And we just disappear it all. Which is very sad. But we can just do that. Now, we need this to have a bypass as well. So this should be down another tile. Here we go. We'll try to output the stone. But if it can't, we'll just get trashed. Which is fine. Alright, now we got the same problem with this methane gas. So currently it's going here, we're burning it off if it gets too high, but we can just pipe it out. I suspect that's what you're supposed to do. Was there a... Am I missing something? Was there a... Oh, there's a fuel refinery. Here we go. That should work. So if I didn't get pyroflux, it would be nice. The other recipe is that one. So we got that one and the other one. The light oil as well. That's the methane. Oh, we don't get light oil actually, do we? That's from the next step. We're not doing that step though. Unless I use some of that extract I get. No, I don't really want to do that. Which means we can't do this. We can't do this step because we're not getting gas. So I can't get rid of the methane gas. That's kind of annoying then, isn't it? I mean, this is the best recipe for it. Make oil in orbit with bio-sludge. Could make methane ice if we had cryo-sludge here. Well, I'd prefer to keep it, but I can just disappear it. We don't have the solid fuel. I can't do this like I thought I was going to, so I'll just let it build up. And we'll keep all the spice exporting. Which means we need to copy these. Going to orbit, so we just copy this get up. We need a satellite dish as well. What's that one? That's the general. Where's my wooden power pole? Oh yeah, we need the inserter. This ratio is all wrong as well. Delivery capsules. We've got a few here though. That's not too bad. Alright. Oh, so we've got conditions. Oh, I don't want stack size though. Yeah, there we go. This one needs is the delivery capsule, and we'll start sending it back to Nauvis orbit. Now I could send it to Nauvis for processing, but I think Nauvis orbit's where we actually want it, so. Now, one thing I didn't think about is we will get that extract, which is what we might do with the other output here. Not that one. We can do one of these ones with the extract. So, what's the rate of production versus? It says 14 per second. I don't know how fast this delivers. I mean, one might be enough. Only 50 stack though. That's like, you might need two of them. But it's nice to have my Vita spice processing going again from another planet. Come on. Purple. And output priority right is the Bernie's. I'll leave it available just in case, but I don't think we'll be using it. That'll do. That stuff can get turned into process fuel, it's fine. Copy one thing, it's a little buffery thing. I like this thing. Cool. Right, so the spice going as fast as I can. It's pretty slow, but scheme of things, ain't too bad. I mean, it's heavily negative on stone, mildly negative on flowers. It's nice the stone is a you get it back, you just use it. There's only one belt, and it seems to be. It says it actually needs 24 a second. Just belt speed is 30. So why is that not satisfactory? I don't get it. Oh, these ones are only 15. Funny. Don't upgrade the power poles, thanks. Annoying these substation 2s. I think they should get rid of them. I don't think this building should be here. I think it's a bit dumb. That makes sense. And these make sense, but that does not make sense. Oh. Anybody on agreeing it twice, did I? I did. Plus we got a massive patch still to use. I mean, we can make good use of that. I'll get a second belt, even though we're not using it. There's no harm. Now I tried to design this so I can scale it, like tile it. The wood burn off could be fitted in back here. Focus delivery cannons should be put in there as well. Can't get rid of the methane, which is kind of annoying, but at the same point it doesn't really matter. Would like pyroflux. I also had hydrogen from that methane. That methane fracking or something. Where does it start? We got have we really filled up nauvis? Are you shitting me? I hate you enough. Okay. Let's try constant command and have a look. I do like having displays. So and light. Oh, it's called a bulb, isn't it? No, what's it called? I don't have a light bulb. It's got a lamp. A lamp. I don't even know I make deciders here or lamps. No. Really? Don't make either? I swear I make decider combinators here. I don't. Wow. Okay. That was not expected. I don't know what's missing, so... Oh, I got that blueprint reader. That's right, that mod. I haven't tried it yet, but... That's science, why is it not working? Dead Space 2 must be dead. Lamp. No glass, you shitting me. Such a lie. Right, that's the lamps. So, have a look. Oh. Do 100 to start with. Oh wow, it's totally great. New heats. We've got 13k up there now. See my bypass update on nauvis. We got these ones to flood in. The primary feeders. Which means that these should backfill. A bit more of these. All my extracts going to orbit rather than being used, which is ideal. Indirectly buffed that quite well. So we get from two places. This one gives it to me as well. Even though we're not trying to, still an overflow. But this won't even last so long. Well, this took a lot, isn't it? Even working. It doesn't look like it is. Yeah, it's not even going. Yeah, this one's just getting nerfed. Is that working now? I can't even tell. I ain't moving. Oh, definitely not working. That's the wrong thing. No, we've got a tulip mine. Pretty minimal. It does the job. I don't think it's going to clog up. The methane is going to get burnt off. Extract turns into things. You always process fuel. Don't have to do with. I mean, if we need power here, we could use it, but we don't really need power, so. Unless I was powering a train with it. Or is another use for it? I don't know about. We can delivery capture it, or we can turn it into oil. Here's the best one. We send it back to nauvis. Then we turn processed fuel into oil. Then we get wood. There's even more problems because I guess I turn it back into processed fuel, right? Let's keep making processed fuel from the wood. I do need a little bit of gas. I don't believe 20 crews is going to make 40 gas though. But if you do coke liquefaction, the coal and wood there is pretty good. I guess I can't get my head around the thing there. I have to go check my science out. Something's broken with it. But anyway, I'm glad I got this one going now. It's not now. It's Tulip. Now, this is overflows basically. What's this total anyway? 100 per stack. 48 stacks, so it's greater than 4,500. Cool. What's that for? Now these aren't going to deliver because the numbers are too high. I want to use colours too. Set the colour of the lamp based on the colour signals. If a colour signal is greater than 0. I've done something wrong with that lamp. I think it's supposed to do this. That doesn't work. Oh, whatever. Would like to send this anyway. But now I might flood nauvis. I could send to nauvis ground. Could also expand this place with new high temp turbines. I think this one here is fine. We could set a new power plant up though. And we aren't gonna have problems with all this wood. We need to disappear it. That's my plates. Okay, so we got no. What's happened here? What? What's this? I've done some weird thing there. I've broken it. Huh. Oops. Supposed to be there. Oh hey mikelat. Oh thanks for that. I'd never done that before either. I was just like having a guess. I didn't know it would work. So I was like, oh wow, it works. That was so cool. I don't know whether it was efficient or not though, because it crafts the 5000C crafts like way slower and uses a lot more power. So I guess the power is like not so consequential with the daily sun power, I guess. But yeah, I mean like you could do more electric boilers and they would use less day power. So I guess if we got infinite solar power, it's fine anyway. Is the power the same? Oh, okay. I thought it was like crazy costly. Trying to fix my base store, it's a bit of a mess, eh? Actually, what am I doing here? That shouldn't... Oh, that's what I did wrong. Why did I do that? That was a dumb thing. Yeah, it's a peripheral setup because it means less containers, because 900 degrees steam takes up less space than 5 degrees. It's basically double power. Oh yeah, cool. That doesn't work either. Okay, I'm gonna redo this. What do I do? Oh, wrong. My poor base. So it's supposed to be making... I get output... I see what I was doing. I was outputting them onto these belts, but I've done it only this. It should output both types. Ah, be fine. Let's do this. We'll do the little switcheroo. Not sure, maybe this. No, can't do that. Yeah, I'm pondering trying to set my bases up like how you're supposed to now with processing per planet. So I was going back to my old planets that are all broken, and like I was just setting up a little vitamelange processing thing here. There's like some high tech, but that's only high tech really. Yeah, I got pretty far in that today. Oh nice. Yeah, you're powering along. I think they've really boosted that mid game speed. It's a lot faster than it used to be. Really looking forward to doing an interplanetary train logistics system. Oh nice. So are you gonna do like space trains? Or are you gonna do like full on space trains? So there's one trick I saw with space trains. I'll show you. I don't know if you know this, but I've seen someone do this. This is like, I don't know if it's a hack or not, but with the trains, you can use these gates on the side of a ship. So what you do is you have this as the side of the ship. The rail goes through here as well. So it means your space train can be on the outside of the ship. So when you dock it, it goes straight on the outside of the ship. You know what I mean? I don't know if it's intentional or not, but basically you can have a train literally sitting on the outside of the ship like right here. As far as I know. Yeah, let's see what works. Space door's in the way. I'm the wrong way around, that's why. Try again. I'll see if I can do it. I saw someone do it. I don't know whether it was like it's been patched out since then though. But I thought, oh, that might be cool because you know you can do the gate here for like sealing the spaceship. So the idea is you do like this. Never thought about doing like that. So you can do like you can literally have a space train load on the side of the ship on both sides. It doesn't have to load the middle. See, my design here, I tried to do a space train, was all in the middle. And it's kind of like for loading and stuff. It's a lot of space. You need like all these tiles, a student amount of tiles basically. But if you do a side load with this space rail, I think it's gonna be way better. It's like, oh, got a blueprint today. Trains? Yeah. Doesn't let me paste it. Okay, so I can't paste the blueprint on top of it, but it's apparent the rail is there, so it should be able to go, but maybe it doesn't work initially. I'm not sure where you put the wagon in the train stop. I have to go find that image again, but I thought that'd be quite cool if I can design that. I was designing this last time, my coffin spaceship. I was trying to get like as fast as possible, basically, with only 4,000 size. It's pretty good, but I mean, it's not a train ship, or like a train ship with the space elevator. Wonder if we can like I don't know, drive it up. I mean, you have to like curve it into your ship, right? How do you do that? Like push it. Oh, it's not in because it can't turn before that, which is annoying. Hey, Computer Addict, how's it going? Oh, yeah, that's not so good, is it? Lurking and cleaning, nice. Yeah, so I don't know how it works. I don't know where you put this train station either, so you have to better fit that in there too. I guess it'll be on the inside, it should be okay. Yeah, so dock like this, and then all you do is get a train. Let's blueprint that train and try to tell it to go to that station and see if that works. It should do. If I can stop right on top of this for the station, going to Flying Goes Noob. What a name! Flynn Goes Noob. That's great. Alright, let's need some fuel. So Flynn Goes Noob. Automatic. Here we go. Look at this. Ah, beautiful. It works. So that's gonna be the side of the spaceship, and the train station's there. So you can't put the blueprint on top initially. I imagine it should be able to take off because this is just this is all wall. So if I have a whole bunch of rail, other bits here, sections, it should be able to do its thing. So I might do a quick this blueprint. Well, I might get some more spaceship floor first. Yeah, train should go with it. I reckon it could be quite a cool design. Let's do that. Alright, let's try and make us. We'll just plonk it on the space like any old ship I already got, right? And just launch it. Doesn't matter what ship it is, as long as it's small enough to launch. Does that have fuel? Actually, I probably can't. Yeah, it might be a bit thingy about blueprinting because of the way it's got 3 tile items there. We're going to start a new spaceship up. I really need like a better like building area for it. We can turn around as well. Yeah, you could do. You can do a side on as well. You can do like the top of the ship, bottom of the ship. Yeah. So I'll try. I know a minimum viable ship though on that. It's a bit tricky. But you should be able to quickly make one. Oh, the station's a bit. Needs to be an extra tile above the station. Alright, just some walls. Like a nice little square ship. What sort of fuel? It's always annoying with the fuel. I'll do one of these. One tank. And a console. I guess need some pipes. Oh, maybe there actually, this pump. Yep. 5 tile. Space back. Here we go. Alright, let's see this gets the oh, I need some. Yeah. Alright, let's check the integrity. Found tile, connect properly. Which one was it? I think it's the bottom of the ship there. Passed. 167 size too. Very tiny. That's so small. Alright, let's launch it. Oh, it's gonna need power though. I'll give it some accumulators or something. Nequium. Got some solar panels in here as well. And maybe a couple lasers. Oh, and one laser. Might go a bit fast. Alright, let's have a look. Oh, it needs a power pole. Was it the power substation? Cool. Of course it can't, it can only carry one wagon, but yeah, that's a real tiny ship. And I think what happens is the trains have a lower mass for the cargo than a normal thing. Alright, let's go have a little launch of it. Alright, let's go to nauvis. Who's engaged? Here we go. Train on the side of the ship. Anchor in nauvis. There we go. Now the only problem is I didn't put the wall. I put this. That should have been a gate. That shouldn't have been a wall there. But yeah, that's a very minimal train ship, basically. I know you'd probably want to do like your 2/8 or whatever. But you can do it like a real long skinny ship if you did that on the side. So you can like do it straight down. Like it can just go literally just a big long line. 1/4s. Oh yeah. Well, if you just do this the gate, you can just go straight down, right? You have a long stick to the side of the train. But look how tiny the ship is. This is only 167. Alright, it's nothing. Alright. The trick is getting the train off this rail. Have to have the spaceship for space rail here. Should be there. You probably don't need double wide gates on the track. Just the ship edge should work. Oh, okay. So I could probably, well, yeah, true. I kind of like the look of it though when that both went down, but yeah. I don't think I got space rail down here. I don't. Oh well. I don't think I can make it here either. I think the rail is orbit only now. Yeah, it needs an energy catalog. Alright, that's fine. Get the idea though. Yeah, I'm missing one tile. What I could do is delete the bottom two there. And I'll put it up the top. I just wanted to... You can build those tiles. Or did I delete? Did I just lose them? I think I lost them because it counted them as spaceship doors. Okay, that's one downside is... Alright, should get Discord. Oh, that's a chonker. Nice. I think I've lost the rail. Yeah, I tried to do a side load in orbit once. I was designing one. I guess a middle load. This is my side load one. It's like I was trying to do these fluids on the spaceship, but I think they disabled it. I can't remember. Basically, I can get to roughly under 1,000 very easily. Oh, nice. Yeah, the hull integrity is way lower on the train ones, which is cool. But I reckon you can even get a 300 one with like this sort of thing. I reckon. I mean, even if it's got shitty solar panels and shitty accumulators and like shitty rocket fuel, that's the same design basically. There's no much difference. It's only a one. It's only a 1/1 though. But I mean, you can have a lot inside one rail wagon. I might try to add some more tiles. Whoops. Let's go to Nauvis. Orbit, not Narcissus. Look how fast it is. Like it's so fast. I don't think I can even hit a rock. Nope, rocks are about to hit me. That's funny. The rocks were gonna get me. They were trying. Right, so now I'll try put some more. That's 1, 2, 3 down to here, right? You can actually do both sides though. That might look okay. Another one down here on the outside. But yeah, I'm going to iron stream them between elevators, between planets. Oh, nice. Yeah, I'm guessing you haven't got the free ship yet, have you? All right, I need to I did get it, I'm just not using it for anything. Oh, yeah. Storing trains entirely in spaceship wall in a 2-tile gate is actually gigabrain. Yeah, I saw it. Wasn't my design. I saw like I was browsing like Discord of Factorio or Reddit or something, and I saw it and I was like, whoa, it's so good. It's like, yeah, I gotta do this. How do I get rid of this train? I want to turn around. I need to do another station to get it out. But yeah, you can do like that's the length of it. That's a 1-3. You want a 1-4, don't you? Like down here a bit more. What's the size? 190. 190. Wow, it's so small. Because these count as wall as well, so it makes this. It doesn't take as much space up, I guess. All right, add station Suji. Go. I saw the gate thing when it turns. Oh, stop menu. I went too far. Oh no. Okay, not too bad. I'll try like. Okay, that's perfect. You might have trouble with angled meteors in flight though. Yeah, I only got one laser, so one meteor is gonna go go right on the side, and that'll be like the end of it. So that's the 1-4 there. Should add pop in when it builds it. Don't think there's enough rail there to build the last one. It looks like it might be just. Oh, there is. Okay, so pop in. Flynn goes noob. Alright, now we need to add some wall tile. You can't put the wall tiles when that. Oh no, yeah, when they're on it, you see. Oh, that's part of the spaceship anyway. A couple layers on the tail might take care of those though. Yeah, so we'll just turn that off for now. We got the front thing as well. Yeah, so it's only 190. Oh, that's so small. I mean, you can just make it a little bigger with like a little pointy top for lasers, right? Make it a bit safer. You do like the normal. this little thing, little beak. We can just do like a slanted one because the railway train could come out there. We just do the one side like this. Like the house, I don't know. What's this size now? 244. Plenty of room. We need a couple of extra layers, I suspect. I mean, you can just do turrets as well. You can do belted turrets, like you do like a little belt of chests and set into turrets if it's real early on. Because lasers is kind of expensive, so you don't do these gun turrets of like uranium ammo. And you use the old inserters. I mean, you can insert between them, or you can just use a belt. I don't know. Yeah, the uranium ammo is awesome. I haven't really used it much, but that is real good. Quite expensive though on the U238. So I'm gonna see if it doesn't go somewhere without dying. I'm gonna send it off to Tulip. And see what dies. Engage. This is how it flies. It doesn't look too bad actually. It actually looks kind of cool in its own little way. Got like a little tail here. Look at this little the rail connection. I think this is my best spaceship yet. This is real good design. I mean, we're gonna slam into some rock though. I mean, I've got no logics, so rocks are gonna slam right into it, and it's won't go too well. But it only takes, what's the trip? 1 minute to the Tulip. It's all for hooking up another cargo spaceship to the tail. Well, so far the rocks are, I mean, if you're not flying for an asteroid field, I mean, you could slow the speed down. I'm actually going pretty, look how fast I'm going. I'm going 135 in this little thing. Oh, that's really fast. It's so light. It's stupidly light, 244. I'm like, this thing is smaller than even early game spaceships. I mean, you get free solar panels from Nauvis orbit, which are good. It's only got one engine, but you know, we could try to test out the iron engine or the normal rocket fuel engine. I think 2 of the rocket fuel engines would fit in. But you definitely could do like, oh, we got there, look at that. We actually got to Tulip. This is where I'm currently building. But that's neat. Cool, that worked out well. But quite, I mean, I think where we flew was kind of safe. See, we flew from here to here, so there's no asteroid fields. So if we went past this asteroid field here, we would have died. Little cleaver. The little mikelat cleaver. So the other thing you can do is this is just a hauling one, right? There's no unloading. You literally have to load or unload depending on where you dock. So say this goes one planet and it loads, and the other planet unloads. So there's no loading or unloading on the ship itself. It just stores. It's just a storage thing. So that makes it as far as mass goes, it's even better. There's no container stress at all. I mean, we could have storage parallel here in these slots, where we like move in and out, but we don't need to. And we could also have multiple trains. We could have a train, like I can stagger them, like another one here, and then another one here. We can fit another. We can have 3 trains in here, right? So maybe I'll try that. I'll go to nauvis. We'll try 3 trains, and the same sort of idea. So there's like the little lines of trains. I still think though this outside bit here would be ideal for another train on the outside. Then you have like 2 light train lines. As long as I can, you know, undock at the other end, you know, do its thing, it's fine. The thing is, we got 100% streamline bonus as well, so which is awesome. Can't believe it hasn't hit a rock yet though. These rocks must be real sad. They're like, we're gonna get you, man. Little Speedy Gonzalez. I wonder how fast you could get. Let's have a look at this overload. So it says long ship plus 5%, so I'm gaining 15 mass from having it long. Which is weird. I mean, it's like width versus height is how they calculate that. So I think I could have 20 more tiles for free because of empty tiles. I believe 50 divided by 29.4 means I can have 50 empty tiles free. I don't know if that's true or not. But you get 10% free, right? So they might at that limit already. I don't know. Or do you get 50 default? I'm going to anchor and have a look. So go add. I'm going to add some tiles. Have a look. Oh, we're not supposed to do all them. That was a bit awkward. We'll stop down here. Where's that train print gone? I've only got that. I kind of need to get this thing going. Get the railway track first. Oh, we can't do that one. We have to do an actual gate. So where's the station going to be? It has to be down there. Okay. Station. Alright. Where is it? Oh, it's over here, isn't it? These ones. Yeah, that's 3. This is a 1, 2. There's a 1, 3 there, eh? And a 1, 4. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. This ship's gonna get so penalised on the length bonus. Yeah, it's not gonna work for a bit. I need to get some walls up. That's kind of expensive, that train stop actually. Doors do not lower hull integrity like walls do. No, not as much, but they do a little bit, right? Like, it doesn't say it does, but maybe it's a neutral one or something. Oh, okay, they used to drop it a little bit. They must have changed it to be nothing. How much do I need that trowel? No, I can't get rid of that one. Check how I tried to abuse it in your Discord. Alright. Oh yeah, you got double. A little bit more Jimmy Jammed, eh? You got like you rolled it all the way through. Right, this should integrity check now. No, what have I done wrong? I didn't do the may have missed this bit on the side. No, not that one. Oh no, they haven't got the gates. They need the gates. There we go. Was it putting all down or not? Did it miss them? I can't tell. I don't think it built gates where it should have built gates. Yeah, it can't because the train's there. I have to move the train out of the way. Can we get this out? I don't even get this train out of here. I have to cut this off, which is fine. It's just annoying. Let's add a station. Oh, yeah, need a dock, don't I? Alright, let's see if we can get this train turned around. Go. Oh, turn around first. Ah, can't be rotated, no, can it? Damn it! Did it wrong. I have to delete all that. Oops. Poor train. Yeah, so the order matters. So you do the rail, gates, and then you can move the train into place. But if I get a blueprint of it though, it should be okay. Alright, that's that. Now I just need to put the train in. So, just the train. How's this looking size-wise? Oh, it's not working. What's wrong with it? What have I missed? Done something wrong. Let's take a look. That one's funky, is it? Oh, there's no gates down here, that's why. I've mucked that one up too. Okay, that's fine. So it does need them. I could have the same station name actually. Then goes noob, sounds like a good one. Automatic. Go. Oh, that's one's on board. Now I can delete this one. I did it wrong. Alright, night, mikelat. Thanks for popping in. Hope I'll check out your train tomorrow. I bet it'd be cool. No. Oh, we missed it. Was it 4 of them? Yeah, that one. Oh, it's not long enough now. This train's tracked down further. There we go. Alright, let's try again. We need a 4-length train. Should work now. There's 2 gates. A little bit of science has stopped still. I gotta fix that, but I'm still missing tiles for some reason. Oh, we do. Oh, we do have some. Those. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kind of goes into a no man's area there. Is that correct? Mouse over this. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got 5 in there. That's why. Oh no, it's a 1, 4. That's fine. That's 5. Yeah. So maybe is that one off? Maybe. Yep, still invalid. What done wrong? Something's funky with it. Not sure why it's not giving me integrity check. Kind of frustrating, but I think it's still this thing up here. I'm not sure whereabouts it is. The internal one say it's sealed, right? But this one down doesn't when it's all gates. So maybe that's a limitation on it. Maybe you can't have 2 lots of gates. Maybe need some wall. We need a wall down here or something. On one side. But that doesn't have a wall there though. That was fine. There's something yellow there and this is red. Where's that tile there? I don't know. I don't think it is. That was fine before. I missed like underneath. I don't think I did though. Is that okay in there? I think so. I'm not sure. Alright, we'll send this train back up into its noob. Yeah, I've done something wrong. Can't quite figure it out. Yeah, that one's kind of... Yeah, it's fine. Got special doors down there too, which is okay. Not sure what it is. Stream diagnose is better. It's not the top, is it? Is it there? Is it that tile? Yeah, it was. 419. With 2 trains. That's pretty small. Let's see how it does in a spaceship trick though. So we're gonna go to colors. Orbit. There we go. Now the thing of this thing, it has, I can't do this one here like this. It'd have to be another wagon at the end. I was just testing whether it would work. But you could move all this across by a tile. This is like a manual thing right now. I was just trying to check if you just do gate. Seems you can. I imagine Arendelle like patching this out though if people abuse it too much. Well, it's not really abuse. You do pay the cost. My ship is a lot of cost on long ship, plus 31%. So from that metric, it makes sense to have the train on the right hand side, the same location. I'll fly it back. We're getting like 100 speed, so that's pretty good. But I can make it better, I think. I think this should be over here. And then it'll be good. Might lose the streamline bonus though. Not bad though. Alright, let's get anchor back. Such a weird anchor. No good? Okay. That was fine. Oh, it's off by one tile. Okay, we'll get rid of this train now. Yeah, this one. So that was no good. We're going to just blueprint it. I'll blueprint the train itself with its wagon business. So it's just kind of like that, isn't it? I don't know where it's going to work. In theory, I should have dumped this on the side here. Up there. Oh, yeah, the station note should be on the inside. It should be on the side here. The console's in the way. That's alright, we can do like a little bit here, we'll be fine. And because of this, okay, so you can't blueprint it like that because the gate doesn't go down before the rail signal. The rails, okay. That's no good for blueprinting. Making a blueprint of it's a bit trickier. You can have to do like a blueprint first of, you know, the rail, and then add the train in afterwards. May move this across the tile as well. We got room. We got tile room. Alright, should go there. Oh, we did have one going down and one going up as well. Didn't even think about that. But then you have to dock it down there, which would be no good. Okay, so we could try add this. Ah. We go on blueprinted. Or do we not? That one's fine. Just to drive it down, and we can drive it up there. Maybe. Oh, it is the wrong side. So it would have to be down there. It has to be on the outside then. Okay. That's fine. We have to have it there. Bit of design change. Oh, it's empty space. That's gonna be walls around the station. Make it look a little different. Okay, so we got Flynn Noob 3. Train go down. Oh, you. Oh, there's gates in the way. Why can't it go through that gate? What's with that? The gate's not lowering. You can't disconnect it either, can you? What was the last save anyway? Ages ago. Might just go fix up nauvis briefly. That's what we're supposed to do. We kind of messed it up. We had Nacrium plate problems and I kind of forgot to fix it, so this is not outputting the bearings properly, so it should be doing that and then we're okay. Do it. I guess that works. Not too thinky. Alright, let's carry on with this little side project. Get this train going. It's not working though. Delete it. That's better. Alright, so go load into Mongoose. What? No. Wait, Evindum. This is the Fungoose. This one's gonna be just deconstructed. Let's go. Fungoose. Alright. Delete that. Should be okay now. Thing is, you can't blueprint the spaceship is the problem. You have to do a two-part blueprint to do it. This should work now. So look, so it was, oh, it doesn't say what it was, but 337 now. We've only got 8% long. That's way better. Plus we still got streamline. So let's see if I delete all that side. We keep the streamline. Come on. Why is that unstable now? How did we lose the gate there? Strange. There we go, 343. Cool. 2 equal length trains. Let's fly it to colours. Oh, we'll go to Tulip. That's decent net distance. Oh, it's lost its name. Now the shadow. Alright, that's the new design. That's not too bad. What's its speed, I wonder? I reckon 110. I feel it's kind of cheesy in the vein of stuff that annoys Rando. Fair enough. Just lucky broke out beautiful no launch cost, same servers teleporting miners. Yeah, I was only testing it out, but I never actually did much with it. But I was trying to get my Necrotite mining for that going, then they disappeared it before I got it properly working. So I had to try to work it out without that. So this is 102 speed for two trains, 214 trains. That's pretty damn good. I mean, you can definitely do this. I mean, it won't be at this fast, but you could just do like, you can have engines like 2 or 3 shitty engines that not even cool. I don't even know what they're called, but the normal ones, chem rockets, whatever they're called. Yeah, these things are tiny. So 1, 2, you need 3 of them. 320 stacks of items. Yeah, they got... What's this? Got a lot of stacks in that, eh? It's 40 times... Yeah, it's 320, yeah. Plus you can technically carry a bunch of fuel. Not that you're going to unload the fuel, but you could actually use the fuel as a way of moving fuel. Which is kind of weird to think about, but you could like use this to move vulcanite block, for instance, inside the fuel tank of the locomotive. Plus you can do row-port stuff on this, which is actually kind of curious. So, can you like put like laser grids or whatever on this? Same with the train. Like, could I give the train lasers? I'd assume you can take fuel removed, but maybe I can't. Who knows? It doesn't look too bad though. I mean, I don't even know if I needed this little extra bit of the side here, but I needed to cover this this train stop up because otherwise it wouldn't work. I think if we start using the grid, it'll increase stress. What grid? What's the grid? The other thing is I got no I'm not even using basically any. It's only 16 mass for the cargo wagons currently, which is absolutely crazy. I mean the one booster tank's almost the same mass. And like the locomotive, 6 slots plus 0.3 mass for the container stress. So nothing. Equipment grid on the trains. Oh, okay, I didn't know that increased stress. Could be worth testing out though. Where am I? I don't even know if I'm nearby. But I think I have to manually load it. I don't think I think I've got equipment gantry mod somewhere, but I don't know where I put it. Some previous update made grid slots contribute to stress. I don't know if it was reviewed. Ah, right. Yeah, that's right. I thought it was the Spidertrons. I thought it was. I had the Spidertrons in my spaceships, and they were defending it, and then the mass went up heaps. I thought it was just the Spidertron itself. Didn't realize there's the equipment on it. I mean, this is actually kind of feasible. You can have 2 trains, and so you just haul. I mean, I could drop down Tulip, for instance. So I anchor on Tulip and pick up all this stuff, right? If I just anchor, I don't know where I want to anchor, but it doesn't particularly matter. Like if I just anchored there, the trains I have to do little half circle loops. Get up. But they can just do like tiny little loops, right? And you can load it parallel and then just have the loop go back. Ideally the trains would have 2 wagons so they can just go back in where they came. So they go out, then back in. So you do it, you don't do the 1-4, you do the 2-3. I think a 2-3 might be better, but you lose a lot of cargo though for the less effort of having to build railway track, because then the train is literally drives forward, gets loaded up, and then drives backwards. There's no loop to move the rail. Don't know if it's we're not moving much. Maybe that's better, but I don't know. You don't really have space considerations normally, I don't think. I mean, if I'm doing, I've only got 3, the load this backs out or goes forward. Depends on where I can be bothered building. I think 1-4 is still good, but you have an extra set of trains on each destination. Oh yeah, they'd swap out with another train, wouldn't they? So I've got train waiting here. It drives in, this one hops out. That makes sense. Then I actually got plenty of room up here as well for my logistics. I know we have all my checklist stuff here, like checking that and then checking other stuff. I can't even craft these anymore. I've lost the ability to craft them, but the ship seems to be fine. So yeah, when do we dock this? I don't even know what's optimal. I could use this as like a building train as well. That's the other thought I had, is that if you do your first train as a building train, you have a train that loads up with everything you need to build a base. Because previously I did this train here, right? This train spaceship. It's basically the same as my original thing, but it's way better. I'll show you what I mean. I had this old little rust bucket. It was like these ships. These are like my builder base by themselves. It's like this thing here. So what happened is, like, in these requester chests, it was like everything I need to build a base in these 3 requester chests. And use this belt to load the turrets with ammo. So there's ammo in these chests as well. And it worked out quite well. Even had a little way to make some rocket fuel. If I need to. What's stress in this little Trango drop a spider on it? That's a good question. We have to fly back to change the name again. Look, it was a 102, it's ID 95 95 14 train guy. Alright, let's go to Nauvis. Oh, Nauvis orbit. I'm gonna go where I am. Where am I? I'm at Sneak, that's right. I was gonna go colonize new planet. I'm not sure I got any Spidertrons in Nauvis orbit that I can remotely hook up. I could try. I've got Spidertrons over here. Now, I think they're out of fuel by looking at it. I won't be able to move. They've been sitting there for a long time. Actually, I can mouse over this thing, it'll tell me, right? So, it didn't used to tell you, but now it does. So, it says Spidertron equipment, 52 equipment is plus 52. So it must be every equipment slot is 1 mass. And that's it. So same for the trains, I guess. It'll be 1 mass per equipment slot item. So you can still get some decent usage out of it. It's like say your train carries a roboport, for instance, because then you don't need a roboport on the spaceship, right? The roboport on a train is way more tile efficient than having a roboport which you got no room to fit on the train, on the spaceship. So I can have like roboport trains to repair, I guess. Is that feasible? Can you do that? I mean, I haven't really done it before, but that'd be pretty cool. The ship doing. That's the mikelat there. Yeah, so I guess if I put a spider on, it'll go up 52 stress. Trains deploy their own C-bots to build their own rails. Pog, getting very grey gear. Yeah, because they should be able to, right, with their. We can't. So I can't see it there for some reason. We got the stations. This has got the grid here, right? The wagons, but I can't see the wagon here. Oh, it's in the fuel, that's right, okay. Yeah, so they've got 12 by 12 in that, and this thing's got a 6 by 16. So it's a bit different ratios. One's 96 tiles, the other's 144. So I don't know the difference between this and the, like this. Like, is it better to put it inside the train or the wagons? Anyway, I'm gonna anchor this and see if I can find the equipment gantry so I can remotely add it or something. Why is there a gap there? There's no gap there. It's weird. I see no gap. There's no gap there though. Weird. Oh, this has got a gate on it. Oh. One tile too much. Alright, it should be fine still. Unstable now. Really? Didn't like that. So this one doesn't have it, but that one does. Oh, it's got the spaceship floor tile underneath. I have to delete that. Yeah, it's better. Alright. Do I have equipment gantry? Let's have a look. I don't think I do, but I'll check. Don't see it. Okay. Valid 337? Man, it's always a 300 tile ship. That's so great. We're gonna go probably pop up to 400 though by the time I get this train with the building going on. Let's sort of save train stuff. Yeah, it's fun when you get to a point in a play where you're just mucking around and you can try stuff out. I mean, I can't technically build most of my stuff because my science is still broken. I don't know why it's so dead. It should have fixed itself by now. I don't know what science is actually not working. Deep Space 2. Hyperlator still. Oh, that's that old chestnut. Just Naquium plates. Well, I guess we unblocked that just before anyway. So I'm gonna do a quit and then go get the mods. So I should better go. I got it in here. I've got it going. Why isn't it available? That's very strange. I couldn't see it, but it was there. What's with that? Okay, so must be in like. Oh, there it is. So how does it work? It's a building, is it? There's the equipment remove gantry and equipment gantry. Okay, there's a building, so let's go craft it. I was expecting some magic wizardry. That's not how it works. Which means I have to take the trains off that ship and build it. That's fine. Add in my little wagon to move it off. I have to delete all these other ones. That was what we want. Alright, so gantry. Oh, there's a building, look at that. Never knew. Cool. And the other building. So what can I... We don't want 50. I think 5 is plenty. There we go. My first gantry. How does this work? What's this? Current gantry grid item output. Not part of inventory, so it cannot be filled with machines. This. Input and output. Okay. What's this bottom one? Item input. Gantry grid item output. Gantry grid item input. And gantry equipment item input. So I need to get the equipment for the robot at the bottom. I need to get train wagon on the right. When do I specify a specific train though? If I get a loco, how do I get the right loco? You know? Because it's gonna need like these portable RTGs as well. But that's not what I'm doing right now. What I want right now is one robot. There's a good one and a bad one. That's this keeps 5 megawatts max. This makes 1.2. But there's a vehicle one. That's what I want. This one here. But max consumption 30 megawatts. Very expensive, but it's like this is like god tier robot. I've had one before, but getting 30 megawatts is quite tricky, especially when you get like 4 megawatts from a singularity reactor. That's max consumption though. We're not going to do that very often. We use batteries and stuff. I don't even know how to make the vehicle robot. Let's request. No, we don't make them. Cool, we'll make it now. This is my little train loco. Just need to feed it. And we'll make some trains. Now why is it inputted it out straight away without its goodies? There we go. Here's the epic vehicle report. Oh, does this have it? No, limit part of the inventory so it cannot be filled by machines. I don't know if that did its thing correctly. But that one did get something. Oh, wait, stop it. What are you doing? Right click on them and see which one. Well, how do I like make sure I get the right one on the train track? None of them got it. It's sitting in here. It does something wrong. Current gantry grid. Oh, maybe the train's supposed to be going here. I've done it wrong. Okay, I see. I see. So, I see to the blind man, to the blind person. Try that. You can take that out. That's not what I wanted. How does this work? What if it's like go in and get combined? I must have read it. I read it wrong. Equipment gantry grid item input. Maybe there's a train after all. Equipment item. It was the right way around. Try again. Come on, robots. What's wrong with my robots? Really? They're not gonna come? What's wrong with them? What are they doing? Come on, guys. Please. I have to go log off. Let's figure this gantry out another time. But anyway, we got the train. That was pretty cool. I don't know how I'm supposed to like make use of this, but I mean, if I start doing the space elevator on Tulip, for instance, the trains, I can dock in orbit. The trains can go through the space elevator, go down to Tulip, pick up the vitamelange spice, drive back into orbit, and then I fly back to nauvis orbit, and I drop them through this space elevator. But I think you need a big stacker for a space elevator. Stacker and an unstacker at both ends. We need a lot of clearance room. But I haven't really got interstackers. Alright, see you later, Mike. See you later, computer. GG.